Hello from Riyadh. We're here today at rest day. As you can see, it's just the rest for the drivers and the co-drivers. As you can see behind me, the team's hard at work. During rest day, the cars get a full rebuild. Basically, all the drive lines get checked. Every bolt nut gets replaced and gets prepped for the second week of hard racing. So first week for us was a matter of survival, but from here on out it's maximum attack. Cars have been flawless. We had no mechanical problems on all three cars from the start. The first week we lost a lot of time with punches. Every driver suffered 2 punches, some having 3 punches per day. Our Hiluxes are strong, our drivers are good and hungry for it. I must say the team has done a phenomenal job. The engineers, the mechanics, to the chef, it's a great team, and we're excited for the future.